Welcome to Webidex. Previously on Webidex, we discussed what SEO tools can you use for finding better keywords for your website. In today's video, we will discuss how to write a quality article using the keyword that you found by using SEO tools and other methods that discussed in the previous video. So before moving into the video, we would like to remind you that if you are watching this video for the first time, this is the 9th video of the video series, How to Create a Successful Website. If the things we discuss here are not clear to you, we request you to watch the complete video series from the beginning. Then you will have a clear understanding of the subject we have discussed so far. How to write an article from your selected keyword. So before moving into article writing, there is something you need to do before that. This is about the 10 websites that we actually have to compete on the first page of Google SERP, which is related to the main keyword and additional keywords of the audience you are targeting. For this task, you can use www.usearchfrom.com and search your keyword and see the results relate to your country or area. Even a VPN is fine for this. So you have to study those 10 websites one by one first. This is a very important part of the success of this work because you have to identify the strengths and weaknesses of your competitors before thinking about the article. Let us mention a few things that can be studied. Number 1, backlinks profile. Backlinks, low or low quality backlinks, are advantageous for you and give you an idea of whether you should go for backlinks or not. Number 2, content quality and words count. The quality of the articles on other people's websites, relevance to the topic, limitations of facts that they have described, limitations of the wordings. You have to get a clear understanding of all these and try to do more work to give competition. Number 3, on-page SEO limitations and website format, interlinks, videos, and images. Pay more attention to this as well. Okay, now let's come to the article writing part. The most important thing in this is to write content that is full of quality. Someone will tell you that quality doesn't matter, they only want backlinks to Google rank. But if the content is not good, if you do not have on-page SEO, even if you get the best backlinks in the world, you will not exist in Google rank, friends. Content is one of the most important factors in your Google rank, without which you will not be able to achieve a lasting result no matter what you do on page SEO or off-page SEO. We will tell you again that content is very important to get to your goal. So even if you write articles on your website, pay close attention to them. If you hire someone else, you will have to be more careful. Make sure you choose the right people, that you know the basics, and get to work. The other thing is that even if an SEO article has been translated from one language to another, and if the article has been copied and pasted or the keyword has been written down several times in the article improperly, you will be blocking your way to your goal, whatever your topic is. Unique relevant content should definitely be included in the article. One thing you should never forget is that you are writing this article for people to read. We are telling you again, you're only writing articles for people like you to read. If they search your keyword on Google and come to your website page, you must have to provide what they want, if you want to stay in Google rank. We know that if you do not find what you are looking for from one website, you will definitely go for another. So, you should not forget there are people like you on Google. So always try to retain your website visitors by providing quality content. No matter how much you try to please the Google search engine with your article, Google does not expect content that will please their search engine. What they want is content that makes Google users happy. If you still do not understand this, watch this playlist from beginning to end. The topic of this video series is keywords and content. Unexpectedly, we have mentioned those keywords many times in these videos. Also, mentioned a number of additional relevant keywords to match. This is not strange magic that you have to do with a lot of keywords in mind. If you do justice to your topic to the maximum, what you want will happen automatically. We don't hope of dragging this video any further. We just wanted to give you an idea of these things. Then the seekers will find a way to go for success. We do not know how practical this story is for you. The comments section is open for suggestions and allegations. In the next video, we will discuss things you should consider when choosing a domain name. That's all for today, pals. Please give a thumbs up if you really learned something. Also, if you are new to Webidex, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell as well, so you won't miss our upcoming videos. So before we leave, keep in mind, don't work hard, work smart. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a great day.